Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Astronomy Answered Simply. My name is John and I am your host for fun, intriguing, silly, thought-provoking astronomy questions. Today I'm getting right into it with kind of just a thought experiment and something I find just fun. Given the number of galaxies in the newest Hubble photos, what would be a very rough numerical estimate for the number of Earth-like planets among all the stars in the currently observable universe? So, in the observable universe, this is huge. We're talking trillions and trillions of light years, or I think it's 43 billion light years. We think there's about 2 trillion galaxies now in the observable universe, given the Hubble ultra deep fields and the density of galleries when we look deep, deep, deep back into history. So, I would have to say, this is my personal opinion, and giving a very low number to this estimate. Earth-like planets, meaning, capable of sustaining life. Let's just say there is one per galaxy, right? We know for a fact the Milky Way galaxy, the galaxy in which we live, has at least one Earth-like planet, that being Earth. There are probably more. If you look up things like the Drake equation, Drake's current estimate is 10,000 possible civilizations active in our galaxy. I don't know if the number's that high, but even if it is, if there are 10,000 Earth-like planets capable of sustaining life in our galaxy is 100,000 light years in diameter. 100,000 light years. So if each of those civilizations were evenly spaced, they would be thousands of light years apart. A minimum of 1,000 light years apart. Not including, top to bottom separation, because our galaxy is like 1,000 or 1,500 light years thick, like from top to bottom. Not just 100,000 light years wide. Remember, we're talking 3 dimensions. Plus the halo and the as the stars spread out, it gets really far out in the outskirts of the solar system. There's a lot of planets. We have 100 to 400 billion stars just in our galaxy, and only within a tiny visible sphere of Earth, which is about 10,000 light years, we've found 3,800, roughly 3,800 planetary systems already. About 5% of which are rocky planets, of which only a tiny fraction of those would be capable of sustaining life. But even if it's 1% of those, we might be talking like 1 in 10 or 1 in 100,000 planets having the potential to be Earth-like. That's still a lot of potential planets that could be Earth-like. So my personal low number would be, the low number of estimate is like 200 billion galaxies in the universe. So I'd say the low number would be 200 billion planets, Earth-like planets in the universe. I think there's probably at least one per galaxy very similar to conditions like ours. Just given pure statistics and pure probabilities, I would say you would have at least one per galaxy. Honestly, I think there's going to be a lot more. I'm probably going to go with trillions and trillions of Earth-like planets in the observable universe. My low number would probably be, my personal estimate would be at least 2 trillion. I'd say we probably have another 1,000 Earth-like planets in the solar system, or in our galaxy, not solar system. But that would still mean we're 10,000 light years apart if they were evenly spaced. So if another human-like civilization developed at the same rate we did, we won't see their signals for another 9,900 years. We won't see their radio waves. They won't see ours. That's a long time. Galaxies are huge. Space is huge. It's why I like talking about and thinking about these things, because it's just so mind-blowing when you grasp just how big the universe is. Anyway, that's all I have time for today. Thank you. Leave some comments. Ask some questions. Ask for clarity. I'm happy to answer, as always. Like, subscribe. You know the drill. Leave me a question on Quora. Leave me a question on Facebook. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.